Hello friends, welcome to my Perfect IT Lanka YouTube channel. Today I introduced to how to download Windows 10 in official website. You need to install Google Chrome for this. Let us start. Open Google Chrome, search Windows 10 download, go to first website, and press F12. Now follow me, select iPad and zoom page 150%. Now reload the page, select Windows 10 and confirm. Select language and confirm, click 64-bit or 32-bit and download. After download you can use it. If you have any problems about this videos, comment or send email. Thank you watching videos. Click to subscribe button and like videos and share.